Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and as you can see in the background, it's so important to be able to, get some self-care and take care of yourself with a massage, or to be able to move quicker and easier, and these oil blends can definitely help with that. And so you have doTERRA's Deep Blue at 5 milliliter, Young Living's Panaway at 5 mil as well as Melaleuca's Blue Heat at 5 mil, and so the 5 mil has roughly about 85 drops. And so the benefits of the doTERRA Deep Blue is that it's soothing, cooling, and comforting to the muscles and joints. The benefits of Panaway is that it promotes refreshing and stimulating sensation to the body. And then finally, the Blue Heat is soothing and cooling to the back, shoulders, and neck. And so you can kind of see some similarities in the Deep Blue as well as Blue Heat naming structure, but they all kind of have similar benefits. And so the next thing is to look at the uses. And so with doTERRA, it's twofold. You can use it in a diffuser. The most common way to use it is actually topically. So you can massage 2 to 3 drops onto your knees, legs, or joints after a workout, before a workout, or just when you're feeling some discomfort in those areas. For the Panaway, it has 2 uses as well. You can diffuse aromatically, or you can add 10 drops with 1 cup of Epsom salt and add to a hot bath or dilute with carrier oil and rub in. And you'll see a pattern with regards to the uses when they're, twofold for each company, that they kind of carry over, or you can, apply them similarly to each company. And then finally, the Blue Heat uses are that you can inhale from your hands after you put 1 to 2 drops in there and rub them together, or you can dilute 2 to 3 drops with a carrier oil and apply it to the areas of discomfort or tightness. The ingredients of Deep Blue are wintergreen, camphor, peppermint, ylang ylang, helichrysum, blue tansy, blue chamomile, and osmanthus, so a nice lineup there. And then you have the ingredients for Panaway being wintergreen, helichrysum, clove, and peppermint, and so some similarities, but doTERRA has more ingredients. And then you have the Blue Heat being wintergreen, so all companies kind of start with that. Peppermint, so all companies have that as well. And then camphor, German, chamomile, blue, and then osmanthus absolute, with the absolute containing some alcohol. Now, when it comes to the actual ingredients as well as quality, you want to make sure to check each website, and I'll have more information in the description below. So for example, doTERRA's is sourcetoyou.com, so you can kind of verify the quality of the individual oils as well as the products that are oil based as well. So when it comes to price, doTERRA is $42.67 retail for this 5 milliliter bottle, or $32 wholesale. And then I do have other videos that kind of show and compare the difference of the two as well, from retail to wholesale, so you can kind of understand that. And then Young Living's Panaway price is $47.70 retail, and then $36.25 wholesale. So you can see that Young Living is more expensive than doTERRA for this product. And then finally, the Blue Heat is $42.67 regular, which is similar to retail, matching doTERRA's price. And then it's $20 for preferred member, and there's other things that need to be done in order to earn that $20 as well. And I'll have more information in the description below, so you can learn more about each company as well as comparisons of the company, so that you can kind of see, there's a lot of things to factor with regards to quality, price, service, and making sure you know, like, and trust the person, product, and company before you make a purchasing decision. Other than that, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you got some value out of today's video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for future video updates, as well as check out the links for more information of each company and how they're compared to one another, so you can kind of get more perspective if you're already with a company, or so you can kind of, match more apples to apples if you're kind of on the fence or new and open to using natural solutions and essential oils with one of these companies. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.